Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Windows 11 Start without a desktop icons, files, and taskbar in here in your PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Control, Shift, and Escape key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up your task manager. Once you have it, bring it up. By the way, you can see your escape key aligning your function keys. Okay. Once you have to bring it up, please proceed at the left side of it, select on processes, and once you have selected it, go with this apps and look for Windows Explorer. So your Windows Explorer might be running under the apps or it might be running under the Windows processes. So just have to locate for it, okay? And I can see it here, it is running under my apps. You just have to do a right click and go with restart. Once you have restarted it, okay, wait until you would be able to open or bring up your desktop again. Okay. And close the window and wait until your taskbar would show up here in your Windows PC or laptop. Okay. You just have to wait for a while. So I can see in my case it is now showing. In your case, check if it's showing in your case. Okay. So that's the very first step. But let's say the issue still persists, then we need to proceed to our next method, which is here at the keyboard, press Windows and R key together. And in that manner or way, you would be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for Reg Edit. Again, type for Reg Edit. And the moment you have typed that, click on OK and wait until you would be redirected. Now, your user account control would ask you to say yes. Simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to continue. So at the upper left side of it, you need to look for gate for HK underscore local underscore machine, then double tapped. And you need to look for a key named software. Double tapped again and look for Microsoft. Double tap once again. And under the Microsoft, you need to scroll down and look for Windows NT. So look for it. In my case, I have seen it here. Double tap again, and it will show you current version. You need to double tap once again. And under the current version, okay, you just have to look for the shell, okay? So under the current version, look for WinLog on first before we locate for shell, okay? So let's locate for it when logged on. In my case, I have seen it here next to Windows. So here in the Win logged on, you need to proceed at the center of the screen and look for shell. I can see it here and ensure that the value data is explorer.exe. So double tap to it, and the moment you've double tapped it, you would be able to bring up a small window called Edit String, and make sure that the value data is explorer.exe. No other data aside from explorer.exe. If you in your case no value data or other, I mean you have set another value data here, make sure that you have edited and type for explorer.exe. Once done, click on OK and close the paths that we have just bring up or opened. Once you're done, close the window and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? However, if the issue is still there, then we need to bring up our file explorer. So simply press Windows and E key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up your file explorer. So here at the file explorer, please select on your C drive or local disk, do a right click, okay, and click on properties. You can also use your keys, and with that you just have to select alt and enter key together and you will be able to bring up the C properties or your drive properties. Click on tools, The moment you click on it here, you can see error checking, and this option will check the drive for file system check errors. Click on check and go with scan drive and wait until the scanning process would be finished. Once you're done, okay, you just have to check if your taskbar, the files, the icons, the desktop icons is now showing. However, if not, then we need to move on to our last method. So our last method would be here at the bottom search bar, type for CMD. And once you have typed it, okay, you just have to wait until a best match would appear. Okay, type for best match and command prompt would appear. Click on run as administrator. Your account control would ask you to simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to bring up your command prompt. Okay, here please type for SFC space / scan now. Click on enter and this will do system scan. Okay, this process will take some time, maybe 7 to 10 minutes or more than that. It would depend on the machine that you are having actually. Just have to wait until the system scanning would be finished. Surely it will scan all the issues, the bugs, and it will make improvements and it will fix the problem for you. Once the verification is being completed, restart your computer. Again, don't close the command prompt window unless you are done. Once you're done, you can now close that and restart your computer. Okay? So check if your problem has been fixed. So those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If one of those steps help you, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.